Hello, good evening. This is Mrs.Z. It's a ZERN Math Student Edition, Grade 5, Mission 5, Lesson 3, Water Problem. An ice cube tray has two rows of 8 cubes. So 2 rows of 8 cubes means 2 times 8. Okay, how many ice cubes are in the stack of 12 cubes trays? So 12 cubes trays. When you think about this, you should think about this is the 2 by 8 cubes, and that is one tray. But then imagine the 12 more the layers. That's how many trays are identical as this one. So if we draw that, is the length would be the width is 2 and length is 8, or here you can see the width is, so one row is 8 by 2 by 1, which makes 8 plus 8 is 16 cubes. So the row is 16 cubes, and if you have 12 of these trays, one tray is 16, so 12 times 6 would be how many cubes are in 12 trays. So let's see how we can draw that. So imagine if we have, what's the space? I have these. So I'm going to approximately draw the this. So I'm going to use, okay, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I need more to be 8. So here is 8 units of the length, and then I 2 gonna be for the width. And okay, so if this is width, okay, so now the one row would be just 1 unit, height would be only 1, but then we need 12 of them. So let's see if I have enough room to make 12. If I don't, then I can 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It would be all the way to here. So I'm gonna pretend that this is about till here. So I need to have here to be 12 rows. So do the best I can to create. So I need 11 lines if I want to create them. All right. So this can go all the way up. Okay, so let's see. Oh, sorry, you can see. Okay, so that's it's going to be, so this is the 12 trays. We should have like 11 lines in order to have a 12 trays. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Maybe I could use about 12 inches, but it's not as important to draw all of them, as long as I create one, that one tray. So let's see if this is one tray. That would be the base. And then I can create that one tray, and then I can multiply by 12. So that's the idea of you to understand. Okay. Yeah, okay. If I do, I can actually do the real drawing. That's okay. So what I'm doing now, it's making that the first tray, it will be 16 cubes. So when I know what one tray is, it's easy to multiply by 12 to get 12 trays. How many 12 trays? How many cubes? That it will be total. Okay, so okay, there you go. So here is that one layer, one tray, and tray equals 8 times 2, 16 cubes. So it would be the volume will be the base. The one tray is base times height. So we know the base is 8 times 2, 16 cubes times 12 trays. Okay, now we need to figure out how we can multiply. If you don't know how to multiply 16 times 2, there's different ways. If you use partial product, 16 times 12, you can think this way, that 16 is 10 plus 6, and 12 is 10 plus 2. So if you are using that, we can think of 10 times 2 and 10 times 10. So 10 times 2, 10 times 10. Let's do 10 times 2 is 20. 10 times 10 is 100. Now I'm done with 10. Now I'm going to do 6. 6 times 10. 6 times 10 is 60. And 6 times 2 is 12. When I did all this, I can multiply. I can show you what that is. So this one is 10 times 2. This one is 10 times 10. And this one is 6 times 10. And the last one is 6 times 2. So every number from one parenthesis needs to be multiplied with every number in other parenthesis. So 10 times 2, 10 times 10, 6 times 10, and 6 times 2. It doesn't matter in this order which order is, because at the end the answer is going to be the same. 2 plus 6 is 8, and then 9. So there is 192 cubes. 192 cubes. Or this volume is 192 cubic units. Okay, cubic units. So that was one lesson 3 work problem that we just did. We can answer in Word. So how many ice cubes are in the stack of 12 cubic trays? So we can answer this question. How many ice cubes are in a stack of 12 ice cube trays? There are 192 cubes in the stack of 12 ice cube trays. Okay, so now we read the problem, we draw a picture, and we write our answer. Thank you for listening. This was Mrs.Z. Let me make it smaller so you can see all of them. Here you go. Okay. Lesson 3, word problem, grade 5, mission 5. Goodbye.